Hello viewers! In this video, we are going to learn about the types of mountains. There are three types of mountains. First, fold mountain, then block mountains and volcanic mountains. First of all, we will discuss fold mountains. Fold mountains are the most common type of mountains. The world's largest mountain ranges are fold mountains. They are formed when the Earth's crust gets uplifted and folded by compressional forces. This happens along the convergent plate boundaries when two plates move towards each other. Either the collision is between two continental plates or an oceanic and a continental plate. The crust and the rocks get bent and crumpled, and massive layers of Earth's crust get uplifted, forming fold mountains. There are two types of fold mountains: young fold mountains and old fold mountains. Examples of fold mountains include Himalayan mountains in Asia, Alps in Europe, Andes in South America, Rockies in North America, and Urals in Russia. Next is block mountains. Block mountains are formed when enormous underground pressure forces a whole rock mass to break away from another. The line at which this break takes place is called a fault. On one side of this break, the rocks rise. On the other side, they sink down. If there are two parallel faults, the crustal block between them may either rise to produce a host block mountain or fall to produce a rift valley. A fallen block is known as a graben. Examples of block mountains include Sierra Nevada mountains in North America, Harz mountains in Germany. Next is volcanic mountains. As the name suggests, volcanic mountains are formed by volcanoes. Due to high temperature, deep inside the earth, rocks turn into a molten magma. When this molten rock material is ejected to the Earth's surface during this volcanic eruption, it accumulates around the vent and may take the form of a cone. The height of the cone increases with each eruption and it takes the form of a mountain. As these mountains are formed by the accumulation of volcanic material, they are known as volcanic mountains or mountains of accumulation. Examples of volcanic mountains include Mount St. Helens in North America, Mount Pinatubo in Philippines, Mount Kea and Mount Loa in Hawaii, Kilimanjaro in Africa, Fusiyama in Japan, Etna and Vesuvius in Italy, Mount Popa in Myanmar. Now, the importance of mountains. They make up 1/5 of the world's landscape and provide home to at least 1/10 of the world's population. Furthermore, 2 billion people depend on mountain ecosystems for most of their food, hydroelectricity, timber, and minerals. About 80% of our planet's fresh water originates in the mountains. Water from the mountains is used for irrigation and also for power generation. River valleys and terraces are ideal for cultivation. Mountains are rich in flora and fauna. The plant species of a place is called flora. The animal species of a place is called fauna. Mountains provide many forest produce like wood, herb, medicinal plants, honey, etc. Mountains are ideal tourist spots. Many adventure sports are only possible in the mountains like river rafting, paragliding, hang gliding and skiing, etc.